All right, so I made the cornbread, and I did it with Erika Ervin. I think her name is pronounced Erika Ervin or Erika Ervine's recipe on the cornbread. And I'm gonna try this one. So let me just get a spatula, and I put it in a cast iron pan, but I use a lot of butter, so it's almost crispy on the edges. Dang, this is too big. Hold on. So let's see here. Let me grab a piece. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's still hot. This is the cornbread, as you guys can see. So we're gonna try a piece of this. It is hot. And let's see what it's hitting for. Y'all see hubby's already over here. He ready to smash it. Let's see. Hot. It's hot.
Hot?
It's hot.
I don't like hot.
Okay, hold on. But that's good.
Moist?
It's moist.
I like myself moist and wet. Well, if it's hot.
I know. Hold on. I'm gonna give you a small piece so it don't burn your mouth.
Yeah, I can't eat hot food. I don't enjoy hot food. At least close to room temperature. I like to consume my food in one shot. Very good.
Okay. It's good? Mm-hmm. What did you give it?
I give it an 8. Cause like you did better. I know you did better way before.
Mm-hmm. But this is good.
Yeah. I give it an 8. Give it an 8. Solid.
I give it an 8 too. It's definitely like a cake texture. But it's hot.
Before you had it like golden brown.
Yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about. Mm-hmm. Maybe we gotta let it cool off too. It's very hot. I'm very, very hot. Okay. And then I have one more recipe that I tried. Moody Foody.
Got the sweet potato pies too, guys. These are hot though. Fresh out the oven.
Sweet potato pies.
Fresh out the oven.
Looking good.
Hot. Can't eat it yet.
Can't eat that yet.
Let it cool off.
And then we have the Moody Foody's Arroz con Gandules recipe. And I added ham hocks to it. Ooh, I just put a little tiny bit. This is hot too. Yeah, as the meat, because you can add a meat, but it's steaming. You guys can see that? This food is hot. I don't really eat my food this hot, but I'm gonna try it just to see. Here we go here.
Dad, I just tried to open it all the way.
Well, let me try without breaking it.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, don't break it, okay?
Oh yeah, that's good. The Moody Foody's the Moody Foody's Arroz con Gandules recipe. And you have an option to add your choice of meat to the rice. And I added ham hocks to it as an added extra step. But yeah, this is good. This is good. A lot of flavor. Super flavorful. Let me see if you guys can see that. This is the rice right here. Super flavorful. Sean, come try this. Let me blow it for him. That's like my baby. I gotta blow his food. Make sure it's not too hot.
Yeah, I don't like hot food. I'm
yeah, sorry. This is hot. I could eat hot, but like not this hot.
My food will be at least close to room temperature. So I like to eat my food. I like to be blowing on my food.
Comfortably.
Yeah. All right, good.
Right? That's good? That's the rice. That's the Moody Foody's Arroz con Gandules. I'm not Hispanic, y'all, so bear with me. Moody Foody's Arroz con Gandules recipe with ham hocks.
I give it a solid 9.
9 out of 10? Yeah, I give it a 9.5.
9.
And you can substitute, I think she did hers with pork chops or fried pork or something like that in the pan first. I did it with ham hocks. You could choose whatever meat you want, chicken, whatever, or you could just no meat at all, optional. But hands down, the rice is extremely flavorful. You could eat the rice by itself because it already has the meat in it, but it's really good. Like it doesn't need anything. Like you could eat that rice with no sides. You could just eat that rice as a meal by itself. You could just eat the rice. No joke. Like it's really good. Highly recommend. So we've got our reviews in. So the Moody Foody, hands down, I give her a solid 9 out of 10. Jay Nice, 9.5 out of 10 for these recipes.
That's good.
Erika Ervin on the, what is it? Cornbread recipe. Very good. So make sure you guys go and check these videos out. I know they are on TikTok at least. You might be able to find them on YouTube for the recipes that I'm speaking of. But I highly recommend. They taste really good. And majority of these, if not all, will be a staple on our Thanksgiving and Christmas menu because why not? And these are really, 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 really good. Wouldn't lie to y'all. Try it. Leave a comment down below. If you have already made it and you've had it before, let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let us know what you think on the channel. We'll be back.
Let us know, guys. We are here. Everything. I like my food moist. Like Jay said, she knows that. I love it moist. Give me. Come.
You gonna put my butt on the camera? People see me in my house clothes.
So, Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you guys. So,
we
tune in.
We can still add that pie later on when it cool off. A taste. We add it.
Yeah.
You know.
He made the pies, by the way. I did not make the pies, so I will be the judge of those, and we'll see how they came out. I didn't make the pies. He made the sweet potato pies. But yeah, make sure you guys tune in, hit that like button, post notification bell, subscribe. I try to post videos every single day for you guys on food reviews. And if you like that type of content, come join the fam. Catch you on the next one.